Hello bachcho, let's look into this question. In this question we are told that arrange the numbers in ascending order. We have given typical numbers like 6 raised to the power 1 by 6, 2 raised to the power 1 by 2, 3 raised to the power 1 by 3 and 8 raised to the power 1 by 8. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत तरीके से किया जा सकता है, लेकिन सिंपल तरीका यही होगा कि लेट अस अज्यूम सम नंबर. सो लेट अस से दैट for the first number 6 raised to the power 1 by 6, I can simply take a number, say a is equal to 6 to the power 1 by 6. This implies that a to the power 6 gives me 6. okay, और ये आ कहाँ से रहा है देखिए. सपोज अ नंबर a square or other, let me use a different variable, x square is equal to y. तो हम कहते हैं अगर हम स्क्वायर को ट्रांसपोज करते हैं इक्वल टू को उस साइड पे, तो हम कह सकते हैं y इधर y इज रेज टू हाफ और रूट ऑफ y, बोथ आर द सेम थिंग. ओके, अगर x क्यूब होता इज इक्वल टू y और हम क्यूब को ट्रांसपोज करते हैं RHS में, तो वी वुड हैव टिपिकली रिटन क्यूब रूट ऑफ y और y रेज टू द पावर 1/3. तो बस इसी आइडिया को हम लोग यूज करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि इनको कंपेयर करने के लिए सेम वेरिएबल्स पे लेके आए. ओके, सो पहला हम देख लिया है कि द वैल्यू इज फॉर a इज वेरी इजीली कैलकुलेटेड. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई एंड कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू फॉर b. फॉर b इट विल बी 2 raised to the power half. This implies that b square will be equals to 2. Now because a raised to the 6 है तो हम b raised to the 6 कर देते हैं. तो b raised to the 6 will be 2 cube, that is 8. Now I know that b raised to the 6 is greater than a raised to the 6. ठीक है, let's do this for the third variable, 3 raised to the power 1/3. Let's say this is c. This implies that c cube will be equal to 3. This implies that c raised to the power 6 will be, हमने स्क्वायर किया है, सो दिस विल बी 9. दिस मीन्स दैट c raised to the power 6 is greater than b raised to the 6 and this is also as good as saying c is greater than b is greater than a. ठीक है, now all I need to check is for 8 raised to the power 8. Now let me do that also. Let me do that over here. d is equal to 8 raised to the power 1/8. So I can say d to the power 8 is equal to 8. Okay, now 8 is already 2 cube. I already have b raised to the power 6 as 8. In other words, I can either use this idea or I can say d raised to the power 8 is equal to b raised to the power 6. अच्छा, एक बात ध्यान दे कि 8 raised to the power d raised to the power 8 is equal to b raised to the power 6. एक हायर पावर अगर लोअर पावर के इक्वल है, तो इफ आई राइट d to the power 6, this will definitely be less than b to the power 6. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So d in fact is less than b. So d और b के बीच में तो there is a relation that I have received. Now I have to check for a. Let's see how we can do that. So a raised to the power 6 is 6. Okay, now how can I compare the value to a? Okay, we have to do that. Okay, चलिए करते हैं इसको एक बार. Let me change the color. d raised to the power 8 is equal to 8. अगर मैं इसको to the power 6 कर दूं, नहीं, then it will become a huge number. Let's say I cube this number. So 8 into 8 into 8. So I'll cube this also. So this will be d to the power 24. That is going to be 8 into 8 into 8. This is as good as 512. Okay, actually this is not 512. How much? Let me just do it once. This is going to be 64 into 8. That is 32, 3, 48. This is 512 only. Okay, so and what about c to the power 6 that is equals to c to the power, sorry, a to the power 6 that is equals to 6. Now we'll just have to multiply 4 raised to the power 4. So 36 into 36. Okay, 36 into 36. Let's do that. 36 into 36. 6 into 36. 3. 18 2s are 36. 39. 3. 3 3 is a 9. 12. 1 2 9 6. So a to the, this one is way more, 1 2 9 6. However, this is only 512. So I can conclude that A is actually greater than D. If you have understood this, what I am saying is A has to be greater than D. ठीक है? आपने देखा है कि हम सिर्फ 2 डिजिट कैलकुलेशन तक ही सीमित थे और हमने सारा कैलकुलेट कर लिया. थोड़ा सा मेटिकुलस है, बट दिस इज डेफिनेटली फाउंड, दिस you can definitely found. So C is greater than B is greater than A is greater than D. Let's find that out in the options. Okay. And the option that satisfies this is option number C, which is C, B, A, D. Okay, C, B, A, D. So the answer to that will be, hold on. Yeah, so this is going to be the answer to this question. I hope you understand this. Thank you.